Welsh.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg.
Lovely.
I want to learn.
Dwi dysgu Cymraeg. Oh, no.
I'm going to try to learn Welsh.
Dwi'n mynd i trio dysgu.
Dwi'n mynd i drio dysgu Cymraeg.
You're doing absolutely superbly.
I want to try to practice speaking Welsh.
Dwi isio trio ymarfer siarad Cymraeg.
Oh, da iawn. Okay, I'm going to take a little break there, but what a brilliant start. How are you feeling?
Well, it's really fun and it's just really, yeah. When I heard siarad Cymraeg, I thought, and I do know that because my niece was listening to a Rihanna song, Shut Up and Drive, and then saying siarad Cymraeg instead of the lyrics. So I felt like I knew siarad Cymraeg.
Yeah.
I knew those two words, and I think that helped a lot, just having those two
in
my head.
But you're also seeming very high energy and very positive about it. So
yeah.
That's lovely.
Yeah. And also, I can't speak Welsh is a very useful phrase for me.
Yeah. We're about to give you yet, so that will be a little bit more positive.
Okay, great.
One of the powerful things for me here is thinking in terms of you and the sense that you and school didn't match.
Yeah.
And some of the sort of beliefs that you maybe still carry a little bit from that, because your brain is just superb with language. You are really, really good at it. Really good at it.
Wow. Well,
So
thank you.
This is actually going to be, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's exciting because it's not something that I would have ever thought.
You're going to be a Welsh speaker.
Wow.
And there's zero doubt about that. Absolutely
you,
zero
Aran.
doubt about it. So I'm looking forward to that.
Thank you.